Flat screen TV flat bar. Please explain.
We're gonna skate it. Still fun though.
All right, I have a story for you guys.
Is it about pickles?
It's about a TV. Once upon a time, I was driving home, and I get a call from none other than Fetty Potter.
That's me.
And he goes, "Hey Gabe, my mom has a TV she's getting rid of. It's an old one. You want me to grab it?" And I was like, yes. So now we have it.
Yeah, that's a big guy.
The idea of this video is to skate the world's first flat screen TV flat bar. Please explain.
We're gonna skate it right here on this nice little part. Skate it like a flat bar. Yeah.
So how are you gonna like prop it up?
We're gonna smush it in between two boxes.
So what do we need to do?
We need to get the boxes set up first. Carlos, get under there. I'll push it down. No, don't
That
do
would
it.
not work.
It would crush your pelvic structure, brother.
I'll let you know if it hits me.
Okay.
I can't hear him. Do you hear something?
All right.
Holy crap. Dude, I fit.
What? Now we really have a gremlin under the box.
Do you guys hear something? I don't know.
Was that like the most claustrophobic thing you've ever done?
No, I actually had this much space.
Really?
I was chilling.
Skinny Boys 2019. Wow, what is this?
Should we put the TV there now?
What does TV stand for?
Television.
Good, I was just testing you.
Wait, is that right?
Whoa. Oh, it has a stand on the back. We can mount it to the TV. I don't know what I'm saying. I have an idea. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Drill this.
Yeah. Carlos, I have a hunch. Give me the drill. I think this is gonna work.
Just need one.
That worked way better than I thought.
Whoa.
All right, success. That's pretty solid.
All right. Does it need wax?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I just don't want to stick on it, you know?
Wow, that feels like it's gonna grind nicely.
Oh, why does it seem so smooth?
Dude, what the heck? That looks sick.
It does. Indubitably. It's intimidating.
You think it's gonna break?
I don't know actually. I don't know what I think. Indubitably. It's intimidating. I ain't gonna lie.
Alright, I got it.
Yeah!
That was so sketchy, but whatever.
Whew.
Try to get past that first try, dude.
Indubitably. I forgot how high the drop was. It's a pretty big drop, you know?
It's coming out of the box. The screws are coming out.
Wait, damage report?
It's kind of coming out. Not really. It's fine.
It's a little intimidating.
Yeah, Dan.
Yeah! What do you think, Goozy?
I think it's good. I'm getting used to how it slides. Gotta crook it.
Oh, that's so scary.
What? Yeah, dude! No way! Woohoo! How's that feel?
It feels so sick.
That was weird.
Yeah, Fetty.
Doesn't feel like you're on like any metal. It just glides.
Uzi MVP so far.
That was weird. I slid when I landed. Good thing I got different wheels.
Dude, that sounds so sick.
I know my wheels like hitting that like top vent part.
What happened?
I don't know. Some part of it cut my nose right there, like something sharp.
wow.
I don't know what.
Oh yeah, I want to see that one.
Oh yeah, the Carlos Wax Deluxe. You just gotta hold on to it past that initial little stick.
I know, it's just scary.
Yeah! Oh!
Wow.
Ooh, I could probably backsmith it.
Yeah, all you have to do is just slide the
It's just scary. Flexing my kingpin.
Ah! I want to backsmith it, but I'm like, it's weird. Like, it's not like a rail or a box, so I don't know what part to grind. Whoa!
Woo! Almost died.
Al dente. The Al dente brothers.
Oh, I el dented it?
El dented it.
Maybe that makes it better though.
Oh no.
Wow.
Like, look at this is like a rail, but then this is like half ledge, half like runoff. I don't even know.
You broke it!
I did?
Broke something.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Jeez, stompy feet.
Uzi's like the heaviest skater here. I weigh like 170. No, I meant like you stomp hard. How am I supposed to grind that now? Oh, it definitely like bent a lot when you went over that piece right here. It went like blue.
It pays to be a ninja.
You think it's just gonna explode one of these times?
Yep.
Dang.
What did I get stuck on?
That piece that's broken.
Oh, just gotta wax it, that's all.
We need top ramen.
There. Patched it.
Whoa.
You know, I just gotta work in the ledge. Just gotta, break it in. There we go. Ah! Still fun though.
Hey Fetty, here's what I'm thinking. For the ender, we put it at the bottom of the 5-stair and have someone ollie onto the screen.
Oh god, that's scary.
Carlos said he'll do it if you don't want to. You gotta get that, Uzi. Yeah!
Finally.
Woo!
Took long enough.
Ah, yes, I need that.
That's scary.
You know you could do it. You're so good at that trick, dude. You could do it first try.
Wait, what do you think I'm trying?
Back one.
Oh no, I wasn't trying that.
What are you trying?
I was gonna try back lip. It's like a cheese grater. I'm scared, Gabe.
You got it, dude.
Woo! Oh my god. It's so scary.
You got you $20 on first try.
Deal.
First try. I think I might lip slide it. I landed it! I was like, I'm gonna bail, and then I was like, no, don't bail.
Alright, I got your back, Dan.
Woo! Yep, that's possible.
That's scary.
You can do this, brother.
Just do it. Like, what's the worst thing that could happen?
A lot. I'll actually try one.
Just send it, man.
Full sendeth.
Full sendeth.
I'm hungry.
If you try the blunt, I'll try front nose.
Deal. Ah! Yeah, it's I'm think I'm good. I don't feel like dying.
Can we skate it down to 5 and then end it?
I have an idea for it first. Skate like a bank down it, and then take a sledgehammer to it, right?
Sure.
We should try to return your TV and say the channels just aren't coming in for some reason. Where are you going with it?
To the 5?
Oh,
That's scary.
Oh, that part's good. Got to 50.
55.
That's even better, dude.
50-50.
That's fast.
He stomped it, brother.
Hey, Fetty, would you like to go outside and grab the sledgehammer?
He said one finger, please.
Okay, then let me just stomp on the TV screen and have it not break.
Oh, it did!
Did it?
Yeah, look.
It has Cthulhu font.
Oh no, it's like the Blair Witch Project.
That's what it looks like, doesn't it?
I don't know what the Blair Witch is.
He broke it again.
That was very satisfying.
You double broke it.
So are we going sledgehammer or pickaxe, brother?
That's up to you. You're the master of destruction.
I'll probably get like 3 medals from this, to be honest. All right, so we got the pickaxe, brother. Now we just got to bring the TV.
Hey, don't do it near my car.
That's some tough glass. I'm gonna eat this.
Yay!
You might want to watch out, brother.
Get a shot at this. I can see why you did it.
One more solid one.
Yay! Oh, that wasn't full. Like, comment, subscribe, videos to the left. Yeah.